Hello everyone, welcome to After Niper-Mission. In this video, I am going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of Spiro compounds. In the last video, I discussed about the IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic compounds. Okay, so what is the difference between the bicyclic compounds and the Spiro compounds? The basic difference is just there is a 2 carbon atom, that is a bridgehead carbon atom in the bicyclic compounds, but in the Spiro compound there is a Spiro carbon atom, that is the single carbon atom which is common in both the rings, is called as the spirocarbon atom. Let me explain with the example, that is see, this is the bridgehead carbon atoms, okay, and this is the bridge, okay, but in the spiro compounds only the single carbon atom, and this carbon atom we call it as a spirocarbon atom. This is the difference, major difference. Now next part is the how to write the IUPAC nomenclature of these spiro compounds. This is a similar to the bicyclo compounds, but in the bicyclic we write the prefix, that is the bicyclo, but in the spiro compounds we have to write the prefix, that is the spiro. Okay, now next you have to write the number of carbon atom in the rings, okay, and the numbers should be in the increasing order, and in the bicyclic you write we write the number in the decreasing order. Okay, we write in the decreasing order, but in the spiro we have to write in the increasing order. That is, in the spiro compounds there are, in this ring there are 2 carbon atom, and in this ring 1 2 3 4, that is a 4 carbon atom. That's why you have to write first 2, then next 4, and at the end of IUPAC you have to write the total number of carbon atom in the compounds. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total number 7. That's why we have to write heptane here. This is the very simple to write the IUPAC nomenclature of the spiro compounds. Now next I will explain with the various example. Now next these are the 4 example. I choose to explain more about the IUPAC nomenclature of the spiro compounds. First example is, this is the first example. Okay, so the most important point in the Iupac is to understand from where to start the numbering. Okay, numbering should be start with the carbon atom next to the spirocarbon atom. In this compound, this is the spirocarbon atom. Okay, in this compound, this is the spirocarbon atom, and in this compound, this is the spirocarbon atom. Okay, see, in this structure and in this structure, both the rings are common. Okay, so numbering should be start with from any carbon, from any type. But in these carbon atoms there are 2 rings which are different. Okay, this is the smaller ring and this is the larger ring. Okay, so from where to start the numbering? The numbering should be start with the next to the carbon atom, which is in smaller ring. Okay, okay, that's why we try to we write the numbering from this carbon atom 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7, and but in this compound we can write from anywhere 1 2 3 4 5 5. Okay. In this compound 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and in these compounds, okay, number of carbon atom 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. In this compound there are 3 numbers. That's why this is the smaller ring, and the numbering should be start in the small ring. And then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total number of carbon atom 8. Now next, you know that the first you have to write the prefix, that is the spiro, then number of carbon atom in the ring 2 2, that's why 2 dot 2, total number of carbon atom 5, that's why you have to write pentane. Okay, in this you have to write first spiro, total number of carbon atom in the 2 rings. In this ring there is a 4 carbon atom, and in this ring also 4 carbon, that's why 4 dot 4, and the total 9, that's why we have to write no name. Okay. Now next, in this structure there is a substitution at the 4th position, that is the methyl substitution, that's why we have to write 4 methyl spiro Number of carbon atom in the smaller ring there is 2 dot, and the larger ring 4, and the total number 7. That's why we have to write the heptane. Now next, this is the structure. In this structure there is a double bond at the 6th position. Okay, the same first Spiro, square bracket 3 dot 1 2 3 4. Then total number of carbon atom 8. That's why we have to write oct dash. There is a double bond at the 6th position. That's why 6, and ENE because there is a double bond in this structure. This is a very easy to write the IUPAC nomenclature of the Spiro compounds. If you want one example to practice, I will give you. This is example for you. You can give the answer in the comment box. I hope you understand very well how to write the IUPAC nomenclature of the Spiro compounds. So thank you for watching.